What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So our good friends over at TECNO shot us over one of their Square S2 Bluetooth speakers for us to take a look at. So that's what we're going to be doing in this video today. Now, first and foremost, I just want to say thank you to them for actually sending it out. I really do appreciate any and everything we get right here on this channel that I can share with you guys. And with that being said, let's go ahead and get into it. All right, you guys. So if you are in the market for a Bluetooth speaker, you can find this one right here on Amazon. I'll make sure I throw a link up in the description, but the price is about $29.99, and there is also a 30% off coupon as well. Once again, this is the TECNO portable Bluetooth speaker. Has a 7-color LED auto changing, and it does have TWS pairing, so that means that you can pair two of these speakers together. Let's go ahead and scroll through and see if there's anything else we can find before we get into this box. Large battery capacity, got about 11 hours of playtime, 2,000 hours of standby time. We got superior sound quality, so it does have a kind of like a subwoofer at the bottom of the speaker and just a speaker at the top. So we do got two speakers in this thing, 360-degree dazzling light effect. So if you're playing music, the lights should flicker to the rhythm of the beat. Just a couple of other little things in here, nothing out of the ordinary as far as a Bluetooth speaker is concerned. So with that being said, let's just go ahead and get right into this box. So first impressions, guys, is very hefty. So it feels pretty heavy in the hands, got a lot of weight to it. It feels like it's some pretty solid construction. Has some little feet on the bottom, subwoofer down here as well with a speaker up at the top. Button placement seems to be pretty good. I like where it's located at. We got some nice TECNO branding going on right here. We got the charging port, micro USB. We got another USB port right here. We got the TF card reader, and we got the AUX right here as well. So pairing this thing up is very easy. As soon as you turn it on,
the Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
And you just bring your phone in right here, go to your Bluetooth settings, and you should see it pop up right down here at the bottom. Let me start my Bluetooth over. Go ahead and start it over real quick so it can pop up. And then once you turn your Bluetooth on, it should pop up and you're good to go. Touch it.
The Bluetooth device is connected successfully.
So now it's connected successfully, and let's just go ahead and scroll through some of the lights before I play a track for you guys so you can hear this speaker. So mode, we already got the light going here. You got another light here, right here. Got purple, got the green going, blue, and then you just keep cycling through. Now this is like the breathing light right here, and then after that you turn it off, and then it goes into white light. So it just gets brighter and brighter. Then after the last bright setting, it goes into the actual color. So what I'll do for you guys real quick, just because I don't want this video to end up being too long, is that I go ahead and switch my microphone, because I am using a wireless mic right now. I go ahead and switch to something like a shotgun mic or just another type of mic, and I just go ahead and play a beat that I made or something like that, so we don't get no copyright strikes, just so you guys can kind of hear what this speaker sounds like. But for right now, I like it. I like the quality of it. It feels like it's built very, very well. So let's just go ahead and play a track for you guys real quick. All right, guys, so I have a beat right here queued up, ready to play. I have the speaker set to the rhythm mode, so basically the lights are going to flicker according to the beat. I did turn the lights down a little bit lower so you guys can actually see the light, and I will probably pick it up and bring it up closer to the camera so you guys can actually hear the beat. I won't play the beat too long because I don't want anybody to try to steal my beat, you know what I mean? But without further ado, let's go ahead and play this beat. It is at max volume. All right, guys, so hopefully you enjoyed that beat, man. Let's go ahead and wrap this video up. All right, guys, so this has been the Square S2 by TECNO. Hopefully you guys have found this video to be helpful to you in some way. And if you did, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to hit that like button so that the YouTube algorithm can be nice to this video. It's been your man, Jay, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.